Hey everybody, how's it going? Daryl here. So today I'll be reviewing, unboxing, and demoing this moving head BI wash from Betopper, model ML0740. So this light can be picked up from Betopper Direct, and they are super affordable, and you can find out pricing by clicking that link down in the description below. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So they give you this manual, an Omega quick lock mounting bracket, a DMX cord, a PowerCon cable, and of course, our 7x40 watt BI mover. Before I go into the physical specifications of this mover, I just wanted to make a quick comparison. Like, I've reviewed another BI mover on this channel, this 7x20. So this is the 7x20, and this is the 7x40. So the Sheds one is half the wattage, but quite a bit bigger. So it's cool they're able to pack a punch in such a small package. It's 11.6 inches wide from handle to handle, 13.4 inches tall, and 6.7 inches deep. And it weighs 13.8 pounds. The spec says it can pan 540 degrees. But for my calculation, it's more like 600 something. And it says it can tilt 270. Which I think it seems pretty accurate. If you were putting this on a totem, this would be shining down quite nicely. And the zoom beam angle is 4.5 degrees all the way to 45 degrees, which is quite wide. It has 7 40-watt LED diodes that can do RGBW, red, blue, green, white. So you can get some nice smooth color mixing. And this is very unique but incredibly useful, especially for wedding DJs. But this light can do warm white and cool white. And something that makes this light unique is its BI mover attributes. And it produces a derby-like effect, which I'll show you in just a moment. There's a closer look of the front. There's those BI LEDs. And then on the back, it looks very well ventilated. That's something kind of characteristic of Betopper lights that I've seen so far. And there's your Betopper branding. Of course, it has a couple of handles on the sides, which I love. Perfect for strapping this down on top of a totem. And there's a 5-button LCD panel, an on and off switch, PowerCon in and out, and 3-pin DMX in and out. And then this is what the bottom looks like. You have these rubber feet. This is where the Omega quick lock bracket goes. So you can attach your favorite mounting hardware. And so mounting this on top of a gravity stand would be simple. So to turn this thing on, you simply plug it in and then flip the on switch, which is already on. It'll then do some booting calibration process. Okay, so let's go through the menu real quick. So it has this LCD display, so you can adjust the DMX address. Under fixture, you can change like the run settings. You can choose like the run mode. So there's DMX, sound active, and auto mode. You can invert the pan, invert the tilt. This sets like the behavior when there is no signal. So you can have like blackout and just like do anything, or you can just have it hold its last known DMX position, which is usually better. Sensitivity for sound active mode. Okay, let's menu, let's go back. So you can adjust the manual mode, so you can like set a static scene to set it and forget it. And then you can adjust like all the different parameters that are available to this, like the pan, the tilts, the dimmer, the amount of each color. You can choose different macros and the zoom, which I'll show in just a few moments. Right, so a manual static scene is really nice. You don't need a DMX controller. You can look over the information. So you can see like the runtime of this, check the sensor and temperature information as well as the software version. You can factory reset it, and you can adjust various fine parameters as well. So what do I think about this Betopper mover? Well, I like its build quality. I feel like it's pretty solid. It's made of plastic, but it still feels really durable. And it's crazy that it's in such a small, lightweight package, but it can pack a punch. And I also like that the style of the outer shell looks like a Betopper mover. It looks like some of the other Betopper fixtures I've reviewed. Some of the other BI movers I've reviewed on this channel have like pixel mapping. So each one of these 7 LED diodes could be controlled individually. This guy cannot. And I think it's a matter of preference, because I think if you have so much capability, sometimes you get decision paralysis. This just makes it a lot simpler, and simpler is good sometimes. And you know, it's no secret that I'm not a huge fan of like the rotation of the wash. It gives it kind of like that derby moonflower effect, which is not like my favorite, but I know some people like that effect. So if you are into that, then this is a great mover for you. And for the price, come on guys, this thing is so affordable. And of course, I have a link down in the description below so you can buy this thing direct. If you've been wanting to get into moving heads, this is the perfect time. They are so affordable and these are so functional. So those are my thoughts. What do you think, guys, about this moving head? Let me know down in the comments below, and please smash like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.